Hello, welcome, and today we are going to give you yet another recipe for wonderfully irresistible tasting tofu. First, we take 2 cubes of tofu and break it in little pieces. Then we add 8 tablespoons or half a cup of oatmeal, 1 shredded radish, juice from 1 lemon, 2 teaspoons of liquid aminos, 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm using magnesium salt. It's less salty, so I'm using 2 teaspoons, a little bit of ink, and 1.5 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then we work for it for a while, so the oatmeal and the tofu merge together nicely, and we will prepare shapes for frying. We fry these tofu rolls in a layer of oil about 1/2 inch, and we let them fry from one side for about 7 minutes on medium flame, and then for about 3 minutes on the other side. Don't turn them before they are done, otherwise they will break. And of course, as the most ingredient of our cooking, the secret best spice, love for Krsna, we are going to add at the end. Thank you for watching. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutaya Srimate